Our business reporter Ed Boyd is here for a forecast. Ed, good morning. So GDP
Morning,
expected to have increased 1.1% over the year. When it comes to the quarters, though, a little less marginal than that.
Yeah, look, actually, Pete, this quarterly number could be quite interesting because we know that commodity prices have come off. Iron ore is not as good as it used to be last year. Coal prices have come down. The consumer spending, household consumption is one of the big contributors to GDP, and we know that consumers haven't been spending as much money as they have in the past due to high interest rates. But the one thing that economists are expecting to see prop up Australia's economy in the third quarter is government spending. Government spending has surged to record levels, spending on things like infrastructure, energy rebates, tax handouts, things like that. That's actually expected to cause Australia's economic growth to surge in this September quarter. Now, there's quite a wide variety of forecasts from economists. Some think it could just be 0.4%. Others think it could be as high as 0.6% growth in that third quarter alone. But overall, over the past 12 months, economic growth is expected to just be 1.1%, which is pretty low compared to the average over the past 20 years, which is about 3%. But government spending, Pete, could be the thing that really keeps economic growth ticking over in this third quarter. And that's not a good sign for interest rates because we know more spending equals more inflation, and it means rates are higher for longer.
That's true, Ed. Let's turn things over to the CBA, which ruffled more than a few feathers yesterday after announcing new fees for customers with this complete access account.
Yeah, look, it's never a popular decision to announce new fees for anyone on a bank account, and Commonwealth Bank did it last night or yesterday. Basically, if these accounts were the last people that could join these accounts was in 2016. So they're basically migrating them to the everyday Smart Access account. And that comes with a $3 fee if you want to withdraw money at a bank branch, not from an ATM, but actually from a bank teller. And it's a $3 fee. Now, CBA claim it's not going to affect that many people. And they also say that the fee is waived if you deposit $2,000 per month into the account or under the age of 30. But it's never a popular decision to announce these new fees and hitting customers with fees at a time like this. Here's Angus Sullivan from Commonwealth Bank, the head of retail banking.
90% approximately of our customers will be better off or in a neutral position as a result of all these changes.
And despite all of this and what's going on with the economy, Australia's stock market, it climbed to a new high yesterday.
Pete, cracked 8,500 points yesterday, and we just had CBA there. Their share price is about almost $160 now.
Amazing.
The Commonwealth Bank shares have been one of the big drivers of why the ASX 200 has been so strong this year. But tech companies have done really well too, and really the banking sector. So it's been a phenomenal year for the ASX 200. And the month of December, the market on average rises about 1.5%. So it could finish the year even higher than we are now. So we're hitting records every week at the moment, Pete.
When's 9,000 going to be, Ed?
Well, it could be next year. There's some investment bankers have it predicted as next year going through 9,000.
Amazing. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Thanks, Ed. Talk to you soon.